Hey guys, so this week we're going to be filming a challenge and it's going to be being vegan.
For 7 days, yeah.
We're really worried because we're considered to be carnivores in our family. We have meat like
almost every meal
every
except
day.
breakfast,
Yeah. And I think the hardest part for us is going to be no dairy because
cheese
we love cheese
is life,
and like we like milk in our coffee. So there are alternatives, but yeah, the goal of this challenge is to try new recipes, and I feel like there's a lot of, would you say stigma? Yeah, for people who are vegan. So we want to try it for a week and see how it is.
We can incorporate it throughout. We'll see. We're going in with like an open mind. Not like, bashing it yet. So we'll see how
how hard it is. I think it's going to be really tough for us.
I feel like I might be okay. It's just the cheese part. Like if I'm having veggies, I put cheese on top of it to cover up that I don't have meat. But
honestly.
So we'll see how this goes.
Okay. Wish us luck. Are you ready for this vegan challenge? She's making oatmeal right now, and if you saw our Switch Our Lives video, you know how much I love oatmeal.
100%.
Hey guys, so I came early to school today because I had some work to do, and I'm super bad at vlogging in public because I get super shy and there's a lot of people outside, so I just came in this random stairway to film this clip. But in the morning my sister made oatmeal and then we had grapes for snack. Thank you for taking the seeds out. And then right now I'm gonna eat my lunch because I brought it with me, and it's gonna be, I think it was chickpea curry and quinoa.
For dinner, I made a tofu salad. Here it is. Okay, the last time I had tofu was, I feel like I was in grade 5 and I hated it. Like it didn't taste good. So I found a recipe that's like Asian style and I had to marinate for an hour. So let's see how this tastes. Wow, that's actually really good. Good morning. So it's day 2 and we're having green smoothies. So it has spinach, coconut, pineapple, and banana.
And it matches our blanket.
Okay, so I just got back from a walk with my mom and now I'm hungry all over again. So at 11:30 I had the salad with mushroom and quinoa, and now it's 2:30 and I'm hungry. So I realized that throughout the day I'm getting more hungrier than usual because usually I have protein, so that's more fulfilling. So I realized I should maybe put more carbs in or some other kind of protein. So right now, because I'm hungry, I'm having a peanut butter toast. Okay, so I just made dinner. I made this pasta recipe with potatoes and peas, and it's really good. I added oregano and curry powder just to make it a bit more flavorful. So it's day 3, and today we're having avocado toast. So I decided to make 2 of them because usually we have sleeping and eating. Yeah, so I decided to make 2 slices because usually we put egg and cheese on top of it, so I thought this would be more fulfilling. Is it good?
So today's what?
The 3rd day.
The 3rd day, and we're having lunch now. We're eating quinoa with chickpea and potato curry.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to make?
Like half an hour. It's the same recipe as last time, but I just added potato this time.
Okay. Hopefully I don't get hungry in class. Like yesterday I didn't film at all because my stomach was like growling in class and I just kept chugging water. So hopefully this helps. guys, so we're really bad at vlogging. We didn't really do a check-in for the past 2 days or something. But yesterday, what did we have? Wow, I completely forgot.
We had oatmeal.
Yeah.
Then we had what we had for dinner the day before as lunch. So it was like that rice porridge with like chutney. And then for dinner we had rice with kidney beans and what was
Potatoes.
Potato curry. Yeah. Our mom made it. So.
And then today we're having avocado toast for breakfast. So I made a big mistake yesterday. My friend bought a chicken wrap and I kind of ate half of it without thinking, and then I'm like, we're doing the vegan challenge, so I failed. But today's a brand new day. Shaq's gonna rub it in because she technically won. But yeah. Alright, so the vegan challenge is over.
I got a donut.
And I got coffee because I think that's the one thing I've been really missing, because we just stopped drinking coffee because we didn't want to risk.
We don't like almond milk, and then we were too lazy to try the other ones. And
So today is the day I'm going to drink all the coffee and have all the donuts. You did it better than I did because you didn't cheat.
I never cheated.
But so that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and leave us a comment down below if you have any other challenges we should follow. Peace.
No.